Oh my, yep, that's a good fish. Today we're going fishing for something we haven't caught in a very long time, and that would be the fish of 10,000 casts, the muskie. We are here trying to chase some big fish with some big lures. There's a bridge right over here where I've seen some pretty big fish hanging out, and today we're gonna take the kayak out and hopefully find those big fish. I have not caught a big fish this year, so why not go and throw around some big lures and see what we can find. Maybe there's some monsters lurking in this creek. Let's head out on the creek and see what we can find. One of my least favorite parts. Okay, make sure we got everything. Net, pliers, PFD, phone, and yeah, we got everything we need. Maybe they know me. That'd be pretty cool. No one's ever recognized me out in public yet, believe it or not, y'all. So if you ever see me out and about, say hi. And we're off. Oh snap, freaking rod almost broke on the stick. All right, we're good. Rod did not break, we are safe. First off, we've got our heavy setup here. Mojo Bass Trigon with the Antares DC Monster Drive. And we've got the 6th Sense glide bait on here. And the other setup is just our muskie fishing setup. So, you know, St. Croix Mojo muskie with the Tranx 401 and a bucktail tied on. And I even brought my muskie tackle box here in case if we want to use some other big lures. But the goal for today is to catch one fish. One fish is all I'm asking for. Even if it's a big bass, I would be happy with that. And it is looking pretty good. I just hope these fools don't get in my way. This is looking pretty nasty up here. We're just gonna power straight through it real quick. Get the worst part over with. Hopefully we don't have to get the paddle out. Alright, we're gonna have to get the paddle out, guys. Yeah, there's some nasty stuff. And it stinks too. We gotta get to the money spot. We're trying to fish this bridge over here, but if this boat gets through before us, he's gonna scare off whatever's in there with his motor. Oh man, that's like the worst I've ever seen it in my prop. I should have just popped it up and paddled through the weeds. So we've tried fishing this little creek area and it is definitely a no-go, especially with lures that we're using. Even if there is muskie and big pike in here, I think it's gonna be pretty hard to catch them when our treble hooks are getting caught on every single weed in the water. And it sounds like that guy's coming this way anyways now, so let's get out of his way. Let's go and fish the main lake a little bit and see if we can find any fish. It's so nasty you can barely even see in the water. Oh, here comes this guy, let's get out of his way. Had a fallout. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Something was chasing. And it looked pretty freaking big. That's a bite. What is it? Whatever it is, it's not tiny. Oh my, yep, that's a good fish. Pike, muskie. I think it's a big pike. Oh yeah, dude. That's a good pike, guys. Oh my gosh. I need a bigger net. I definitely need a bigger net, guys. Holy moly, dude. All right, let's get this guy unhooked. Let's take a look at him. So we have a little bit of a problem. He swallowed the lure and he snapped it off. Good news, we got the lure out. Bad news, this fish is not in the best shape. But look at that beast. Alright. Let's hope that he swims off safe. He literally inhaled our lure. This whole entire thing was down in his throat, and I didn't just want to let him go with the lure in his throat. Well, we caught a monster just like we came here to do, but that fish was in pretty bad shape when we released him because he swallowed our lure. We got the lure out and he seemed healthy and alive. I don't know, he swam off, so that's a positive. I hope he's doing fine and I hope he lives to swim another day. Let's keep fishing, guys. Bucktail. Well guys, no more luck today. At least we caught one monster fish today. Pretty short video, but that's alright. I enjoyed getting out fishing today and targeting muskie and pike. But let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see more muskie fishing or just chasing really big toothy fish like large pike and muskie. Either way, it was a beautiful spot to check out and try to do some fishing. But this lake is just so bad this year that it's almost unfishable. I mean, this lake is just nasty, guys. Hopefully we have better luck next time. So remember to give the video a like and subscribe if you aren't yet, and I'll see you in the next episode.